Florida cabinet business. $7 million revenue, $1.45 million profit, 40 years established, turnkey operation ready. This isn't just another business listing. Since 1986, this cabinet manufacturer has built serious credibility in Florida's booming market. You're getting a 40,000 square foot facility with state-of-the-art machinery, plus a skilled team already in place. The sale includes $1 million in equipment and $100,000 in inventory. The current owner provides 60 days of training for a smooth transition. With Florida's explosive housing and commercial development, demand for quality cabinetry keeps growing. This is your chance to step into a proven, profitable operation. Call W.L. Laney at 602-684-7170